Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skilla. Alright, everyone, you don't know who this already. At this Skilla, you see it. And watch this though. Tight pants are the topic another one. You get me, I said to you. Alright. As me show you this video, as me about to show you this video, me have to ask you, have you ever seen anyone wear a pants so tight in your life before? You see me, I say? Anyone. That's the thing. You see me, I say? So watch this, I'm going to show you the video where I go on. Oh, and by the way, just bear in mind that it doesn't even make sense to play the background of this because it is so far away. You get what I say to you, and not only because of the YouTube copyright law and so forth, but it doesn't even make sense. You understand what I say to you? So listen up. Don't listen. Take a look. Observe. Bun up clot. You see it? And as me that tell us me see tighter than that. You see it? Alright, watch this now. Who remember the days when time the pink pants them, the tight pink pants them did I wear? Even before you see him both getting medal. In first medal them. Our first medal. You see me I say? Watch this. Me remember one New Year's. Or if it's not New Year's, I think it is a Christmas Eve. You see me I say? One time I go on party. And I think I'll Stampede. No, not think, me sure Stampede the hap that night. Come in and forget. You see me I say? The man then wear some pink pants when they take a stack in a big brother. He make the woman they look like they not try. The pants so tight, he make somebody look like they are bossing. Me shame, big brother. Me not tell a lie. It out of the way. You get what I say to you? You understand? So even though you see this one, me see tighter than that. Big man thing. You see what I say? Yeah, big man thing me should have say. Wipe on the big man thing. But here what go on now, see? A stampede that happened that night. You see what I say? Stampede. Now remember in a tight pants time, you know, and a stampede that happened that night. Me and my virgin were apart. He might wear one of them tight pants, but I never jeans. The pants he might wear is like some form of silk material or something. And when he might run, remember I know it's a huge crowd in the street out of the gate. Couldn't go in because inside already full already, you know. Then time there's a Firelinks party, you know. You see me Firelinks that run the place them time then. And when time the man him goes up and say, yo, something are going out the door. The security guard go put him rifle over the fence and go point it out the door and go make some woman see. And the woman go scream and everybody go see the gun and go panic. And then everybody just start run. That causes a stampede. My friend him a try run to bun up cloth and jump over a bike. And when him jump over the bike, I don't know what happened, but I see him picture ground. Then the time me have to hold on for one mesh fence and hug it up. The amount of somebody bounce and rub on me when I look, I see. You see when the stampede done, big brother? My friend pants bust from right down his ankle go straight up to his hip. You see me I say? Look like one of them dress where the princess in the movie, in the fairy tale movie them would have wear with the split come straight up. You get what I said to you? I saw the man thing busting up, brother. The man jeans busting up. I see hard kind of thing that night. Believe you me, I see people face tear off, I see people mash up. Stampede is not a nice thing, you know. I tell you that, that's what I say. You see? But you are the biggest thing now. How my friend I get for go home in peace with the theme pants bust all the way up to this, so exposing so many things. You get what I say to you? Anyways, him get for go home still and everything good. You see me I say? So I just want them thing there. But you're the greatest thing now. Them have to give thanks to them tight pants and nowadays have little elasticity in it. You see me I say? Alright, big up to my viewers them. So I say respect to everybody. You don't know the thing already. So I say if you need to know more, I will go on, you have to click the subscribe button. Yes, I say you need to contact the Skilla, you read the description down below. Yeah, you know the thing already. You see me? My name is Skilla, and that way just see Dancehall Skillas Entertainment. Hey man, you know where you watch.